Class! Good morning! This is Teacher Helen and I will welcome you in our new lesson in music. Are you ready to learn? Are you excited to our lesson? It is slight difficult, but if you will listen and if you will read your book, you can answer and you will understand the lesson. Okay, our lesson is all about accidentals in music. So what are accidentals? Can you remember in your 4th grade, did you study accidentals? Okay, accidentals are other musical signs commonly used in musical compositions. So, from the word other musical signs, so we studied musical notes, right? Musical notes are important in musical compositions and also the musical signs which is the accidental. So, ikaduha ni sila class og natay musical symbols katong whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, 16th note, rest, quarter rest, whole rest, o multi-siday first part of musical symbols. Another classification of musical symbols or signs are accidentals. So, accidentals are used to change the pitch of a note. So, just like it is natural piece. La 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 la. That is a natural piece. But when there is a change of pitch, just like high note and low note, so it happens because we use the accidentals signs. So naanay high pitch o lower pitch, no. Taas in teacher, mubo sin teacher, panglaki sini nga kanta na taas sini ka jo teacher, di ko kaabot panglaya sa longga lagi ni. That's because of the accidentals. Tawag the accidentals. So, 3 most commonly used accidentals. So, makaibaw ta. Unsa day pormada na accidentals? Taram! Okay, understanding sharps and flats. So, sharp, flat, and natural. So, these are the 3 commonly used accidentals. So, let's start with the natural. Look at the symbol of natural. Murag lingkuranan, no, looks like a chair. It means it cancels out previous natural or flat. Previous sharp or flat. So, natural lang siya na la, 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 la. Natural piece. And when we say sharp, the number sign, it raises 1/2 tone. Again, natural. La, 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 la. Now, let's go to sharp. La, 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 la. It raises 1/2 tone. And then flat. The last one, flat. It looks like letter B. It means lowers 1/2 tone. So, let's distinguish by, let's compare to the natural and then flat. Natural, la, 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 flat, la, 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 la. Okay, I hope that you can compare its accidentals in music. Okay, we have natural, la, 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 sharp, la, 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 flat, la, 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 la. Study how the accidentals are written on the staff. Okay, you can also see in your book, page 45. Okay, the symbol is G-CLEF. We use G-CLEF. Okay, we have C, C sharp, C natural, G, G flat, and A natural. Okay, how do we know that the note in the first measure, we have two measure, right, in the staff? Okay, in this staff we have two measure, and what is the time signature? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 time signature. So in the first measure we have C, C sharp, and C natural. In the second measure we have G, G flat, and A natural. So let's go to the first measure. How we can say that it is C? This man ni nato si C. Teacher nga nung C man ni si Ja. C da ini ug danhi ibutang sa ikatulo, C da ini si Ja. Kani ug nani da sa ikatulo nga linya, teacher, C da ini si Ja. Ja ug naa da ay sharp, teacher, butangan ag C ug C sharp. Ja, teacher, kani nga note kay naa may symbol nga natural, so C natural da na, teacher. So let us see in the next example. Okay, C sharp. When a sharp or flat is placed on any line or in any space of a staff, the name of that line or space will change, taking on the name of the sharp or flat. So, in the first example, C lang siya, no? The first note is only C. Kaya wala man siya accidental nga symbol. In the second example or second note, naa naman siya accidental symbol or sign. Unsa man na siya nga kind of accidental? That is sharp. So, ang C, imbis C ra siya, naa na siya accidental sign after. The note in the first measure has a sharp sign. So you name this as C sharp. The note next to it has natural sign. Next has natural sign. No, ang half note na ay natural sign. This denotes that the C number goes back to its original pitch and is now called C natural. Kinaunhan, gitawag pa siya og C sharp. Kaya may sharp nga symbol. And then, the second is nanapoy natural nga symbol, mo na gitawag na pa siya C natural. Look at the keyboard. Okay. See where the sharps and flats are found on it. Try to play these keys on the keyboard or piano. Okay. The 5 black keys from lower C to higher C on the keyboard are both sharps and flats. So, look at the picture, class. Let's count how many color block keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 black keys on the keyboard. So both are called sharps and flats. So sharps and flat nas ibabaw kaning black. Nabitaw na C sharp, D flat, D sharp, E flat, F sharp, G flat, G sharp, A flat, A sharp, B flat. So, ang mga black keys, dili ra kay lima ra na sila kasad taas ba yan ng piano. So, ang mga black keys mo nagitawag og sharps and flats. How about this white keys? Naman ay mga puti pod. Between the black keys na apoy white keys, which are called natural keys. So, ang mga naas ubos di ay mao nay mga natural keys. Ug mosaka na gali na ang pitch sa music, mo na nang ang musician mo nang apilo na niya og tuplok-tuplok ng mga black. La 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 la. Tuplok apilo na tuplok na ni dyan ng color black keys. When you move from a white key to the black key next to it, this movement is called a semitone or a half tone. For example, if you start playing from F natural kagikan, then imong tuploko na pud ning F sharp. So asa man ang F natural nimo, kaning F nga naa sa white keys maunay F natural. Then mo tuplo ka sa F sharp, tuplo ko nimo ang F sharp kaning color black sa ibabaw sa F nga puti. Ting ana. So for more example, you may see my video, next video on mine. This is taken on our house. I'm so sorry that our keyboard is old, but mugana pa man po siya. So, see my example. So, I have introduced to you the accidentals in musics. We have three: the sharps, flats, and natural keys or natural. We have keyboard. Luckily, we have. So, we can define where is the flats, sharp, and natural. So, we will start with this C and ends with C. From lower C and to higher C. Can you distinguish? Can you differentiate the tone? Low, high. Very good. Okay, how about these black keys? What do you call these black keys? Kani sila, color black. These black keys, 5 black keys are called the sharps and flats. So, sharps and flats ni silang naa sa ibabaw. How about the white keys? Kani silang white. Sama ni sila. So, they are the natural keys. Let us try nganong natural ning white o nganong sharp or flat po ning ibabaw. Okay, let us see. Natural key, chord C. Naman ni letter, maka-identify ka na ni letter. C, lower or natural key. When we do sharp C, diba? You can differentiate the tone. Lower C or the natural key. The sharp C. The lower or natural key D. The sharp D. Very good. So, when we press the black keys, especially the sharp, this movement is called semitone or half tone. Okay, let us try the Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do in the sounds of music. Do you know that song? Okay, let us sing it first. When you play the keyboard in ascending motion, ascending from left to right, all the black keys are sharp keys. When you play the keyboard in descending order, paatras, all the black keys become flat keys. So, makuha na ni mo kay nga naman na do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Zato, when ascending motion, left to right, sharp keys. From right to left, descending order, flat keys. Note that a sharp, flat, or natural sign comes after the letter when it is written in standard English form. Example, C sharp, F sharp, A natural, B sharp, C natural. So, after siya sa letter is what? Pero, og sa note gali na, however, when these accidentals are written on the staff, they are placed before the note. O, og nota gali na, gidrawing nga nota before. O, nasdya sa kinaunhan. O, natural, flat, and sharp. Okay, and another the song Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do song in the sounds of music. Start with the natural key C. Start with the G-CLEF notation. Okay, music notation of G-CLEF. Katong hanggiingon ganiha. Lately, I have said to you earlier na where do we get C? Where do we get D? Sure gyud sa man ni mo sure nga nung C maning linya ha. Ya kani nga nung D naman pud ni. Okay, class, because we have music notation. Okay, we use G-CLEF in the staff. And it is also called as treble clef. This is our example from the book, from your book. Tara! That is the G-CLEF music notation. Manay makatubag sa inyong pangutana. Teacher, nga naman tong C man to. Teacher, nga naman tong E man to. Di ay pwede teacher og bisag asa ra ibutang ang notes. Bisag asa ra ibutang na mo teacher ang notes, basta kay half note, basta kay whole note. No, in music kaning mga linya naman na si Jai. Mama ni si Jagatong do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay. In the example, in your book, we have two measures in the staff. In the first measure, we use C natural. The first note is C. Tanawa, asa nakabutang ang note, asa gidrawing, asa nag-start ang drawing. Nasa ikatulo nga space. Count the G-CLEF music notation. 1. Sa spacing ha, di ba natay 4 spaces sa staff, 4 spaces and 5 lines. Let's count. Ang C kuno na kuno sa ikatulo. 1, 2, 3. Sakto na ang C. Ang ikatulo nga space. C ba? Correct. No. C. Maana siya nga. Kaning niya have one amot dan himatungod. C na siya. Og anhi po sa first nga space, kinaunhan nga space, gidraw ang note. Anha natungod ang note. Unsa man ang Music notation. F. Very good. Letter F. So, di na mo malibog kay iguraman mo tan-aw sa ato music notation. So, let's have an example in your quiz. Example, letter A. Love music, page 47. Number 1, A and A sharp. Asa man na nimo i-drawing ang note. Ug maingon tag A, then A sharp. Very good. Look at the example. Naa siya sa A nga space. Kaduha, A sharp. Naa gihapon siya sa A nga space. But naa siya accidental sign nga sharp. Kay A sharp maigiingon. Sabtan. Again, we have A and A sharp. So, where will we put the note? Ari sa A nga space. A sharp. Ari na po sa A nga space. So, what you are going to do is to memorize. I-memorize nimo ang mga letters. Okay, let's try to memorize it. Again. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And that was the G-CLEF. G-CLEF pa to. Naaman tay duha ka clefs to be introduced. So, the second one is the F-CLEF. So, two most commonly used clefs are G-CLEF and F-CLEF. Kato ganiha maatoy G-CLEF, also known as treble clef, starting from the second line, which is called the G line. And F-CLEF, also known as the bass clef. Bass. Ang F-CLEF gamiton ra og mga mugamit na tag instrument. Start from fourth line, which is the F line. Two dots are placed on the other side of the line. O manay porma sa F-CLEF. Ang G-CLEF kay mura man tog S, di ba? Ang F-CLEF mura siya sad face nga nagtakilid na dot. F-CLEF musical notation. So, lahi po ning F-CLEF class. Tanaway dya. Lahi po dya no. Kay, nagsugod jud sa linya. Nag-starts jud sa line. First line. Ang G-CLEF kay, ganiha kay, nag-start siya sa wala siya nag-start sa line na ay nilugwa duha, na ay nanubra duha, usa siya nisugod sa line. Ang F-CLEF lahi pud ni start siya diretso sa line. C, G, G ijaga sugod class, ja ni start diretso sa line. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Raiso na po din ninyo. Kay, ani na po ninyo ibutang ang note. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So, ang F-CLEF nag-start sa G. Tanaw na to ang G-CLEF. Nag-start sa C. Ang G-CLEF nag-start sa C. Ang F-CLEF nag-start sa G. So, in F-CLEF, we have Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. We have good boy does fine always. Para di mo makalimot, di ninyo masag-o ang F CLEF musical notation, pwede rang mga acronym. Ma-memorize gali na ninyo ng acronym. Pwede na dito nimo sag-uhon tong tanan. So, we have good boy does fine always. Diba, ang F-CLEF or the bass clef starts with G. Oh, G. Manang, ang G, gi-acronyman o good. Good boy does fine always. So, in the staff, we have 5 lines. Oh, how many words? Ang pila man ng good boy does fine always? 5 pud na ka words. Good boy does fine always. So, ang 5 ka line, gihimuan og acronym. Magdrawing na kag staff with 5 lines, pwede ra na nimo acronyman. Kala, good boy does fine always ra ba to gitudlo ni teacher. So, naa na kay 5 points kay ang 5 lines naa naman kay acronym gigamit. So, first line is G, second line is B, third line is D, fourth line is F, and fifth line is A. And that is soterifala. To easily remember the speech names, para dili na kami ingon og GBDFE, GBDFE ra ba to? Unsa ba to? DBFE DDI. Oh, mas easily maka-remember ka easily if you think of the sentence good boy does fine always. Next, we have also all cows eat grass. Instead of memorizing ECEG, lisod no. To easily remember the letter names of the spaces, think of the sentence, all cows eat grass. In the staff, we have 4 spaces. O, ang upat ka spaces sa F-CLEF music notation, tagaan og acronym nga all cows eat grass. So, ang first space is A, second space is C, third space is E, and the fourth space is G. Hapit na. O, unahon to ni magsuwat tong good boy does fine. Then, isunod na po to ni mo ning all cows eat grass. So, mapuno na imong musical staff. Di na ka ma-zero. Pag mag-test ta, danhi. And see how pitch name is arranged. Tara! Mani siya. Treble clef. Treble clef and the bass clef. So, in your activity in this lesson, page 53, you are going to write on the space provided the letter name of the notes found in the staff. Very easy. It is a bass clef or F-CLEF. O, whole note man yung gigamit tanan. Whole note. Unsa maning letter ang second line. Unsa man to? Ang second line. Dili space. Second line. Sa good boy does fine always. Letter B. Then, ang second note is naa sa third space. Third space. Diadto ka sa all cows eat grass. Kay space man to sila. E. So, the answer in number 1, letter A, is letter B and letter E. Nana may hint. And nana may 1 point. Di naman 0. And letter B, it is very easy. Write the word true if it is correct. And write the word wrong if wrong, explain why it is incorrect. I guess we are done in our lesson, and thank you for listening. If you have naglibog gihapon, just chat me on our group chat or PM me para ug mauwaw mo makabasa inyong classmate, i-PM lang ko. Okay? Again, our lesson is all about accidentals in music. We have G-CLEF, the two commonly used clef, G-CLEF and F-CLEF. So, unsa to'y porma ni G-CLEF? Murag S. Unsa to'y porma ni F-CLEF? Murag sad face nga na ay mga dot. And we have also studied the accidentals, sharp, flat, and natural. Okay, we're done. Thank you for listening. Goodbye. And keep safe always. Thank you.